Kopogore kod mano nyaka Ramogi Ajwang' ka wadhi mbele, eni riwruok mar Haki Afrika makedo ne ratich oganda e pachoka dwaro mondo piny owacho oluw chik mar yudo yie kowuok e od bura mamalo mar oro obila 1,000 ma pachoka e kedo kod nyayo kwe e piny Haiti. Jatelo maduong' mar riwruogno Hassan Halid ne olero ni obila ma pachoka pok otimnegi ikruok makare mar rakore kod jomaundu e pinyno, ka bende budget moketi ne chenrono ok oromo. Jatelo maduong' mar riwruok mar Sefan Gaela Castro oyango ni en kod luoro ni obila ma pachoka kidek wito ngimagi kotenore kod gige lweny ma jonjorego tiyo godo.
The government of Kenya must make this legal according to our own rules. So in the next few days, we expect that they will apply the constitution, they will seek approval of parliament, and, follow the laws of the land. Kenya is a sovereign country. We don't get dictates from the UN that are then applied directly. So even if there is a resolution that has been passed by the Security Council, in applying that resolution, we must abide by the Constitution of Kenya and we must follow our laws.
The Haitian problem requires a Haitian solution, and that Kenyan and the international community should support the Haitian people to find lasting solutions to their problem. Ensuring that an equal amount of funding is allocated to empowering local communities in Haiti to effectively address human rights and social justice issues as dedicated to deploying the police. Further, to demanding an armed embargo on Haiti, we call on the international community to ensure that they investigate and captures all those instigating violence in Haiti and hence fueling the crisis in the country.